morning, y'all. I'm on my way to work, sitting here at this light that's out, so we have to wait. It's turned into a stop sign, and we have to wait our turn to get out. 2 tornadoes came through here yesterday afternoon, late yesterday afternoon, Easter Sunday, and I still have to go to work, so I decided I'd bring my camera and film what I can. We'll see. We're just gonna have to wait our turn to get out here on Highway 49. Maybe that light down there's a red light here that's out, right here, that we're waiting at. Well, they let that car out, and that was nice. And they let me out. Thank you. Now I gotta wait in this direction here. Alright, we'll go now. So this is Covington County, Mississippi. This is the little town of Seminary. I work in Collins. And this is Highway 49, and this is the stretch in this area where 2 tornadoes came through yesterday, and the damage is just a little bit north of where I am now, so we'll see. This over here is my grandmother's house. It is still the same. Nobody lives there. Up here is where the damage is supposed to be. So let's top this hill and see what's going on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Look at oh my gosh. That is horrible, y'all. Oh, my aunt and uncle used to live there. Oh, no, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, oh my gosh. Power crew trying to get power back on. Okay, looks like that was the worst part of it back there off of this main highway. I'm on my way home from work now, and I'm gonna try to see if I can get just a little footage as I drive past. I'm coming up on the area where the tornado came through. Alright. All the tops of the trees have been took out. It's just... This was a little car lot over here and a little fireworks stand. Whole little car lot building is gone. That house is torn up bad. They're over here working. You can see all the damage to all the trees. It's amazing that house right there is still standing. Oh my goodness, that house is torn up. Oh my goodness. Some more over here. there's a few trees down here. So the tornado came, this was had to have just been wind. This is my grandmother's house. She passed away years ago, but that's my grandmother's house. The storm did not do that. That's how her house looks. There's a tree down there. Well, I just wanted to do a little video just on my way to work this morning and on my way home from work this afternoon, just what I see as just straight to work and straight back. There's a lot more damage. There's a lot more damage in Covington County, Mississippi than what I just showed. I just really on the way to work and on the way home, because we are still, we're still social distancing. You go to work if you're essential, and then you go home. So, but people at work, some of my co-workers have no power. They're saying power may be out for weeks. Hopefully not that long, because I saw them working. They're steady working on the powers. I saw them working on the power out on the highway. It's just really sad. People died in these tornadoes. It was 2 tornadoes come through, and I think they were EF5s. Pretty big tornadoes. And it just did mess with my house. And, I'm really thankful for that. But I've got a cousin whose daughter's home was damaged. I have someone I used to work with. Her parents lost everything. House, cars, everything. Other people, there's just a lot of damage, and I've got some friends that lost their home. Their business is okay, but their home is gone, So anyways, I just kind of wanted to do this quick video just so that people could see what little bit I can see of the damage on my way back and forth to work. But that's it, and I will see y'all later. Bye.